Hi. So we are in another tutorial, which is like again a very important topic in Python, and for machine learning engineers and computer vision engineers who are like collecting so much of data from the internet, this particular video will be like very helpful. So whenever we are preparing any machine learning applications, so first thing we require is like large amount of data. So to collect large amount of data, we use like Google Chrome, maybe like or Safari, some kind of browser, and we will try to download from images. That is like a very toughest job because we need to collect sometimes maybe like 200 images or maybe like 500 images sometimes based on our requirement. So this entire process we can skip or we can easily do using Python language, and we do have a special package for that particular usage. So how to do that? Let's try to find out. So let me just open Chrome one more time. Yes. So now the first step when we usually do is like we can go to Google Chrome and we can just type our requirement. Let's say we are working on firefighters. Sorry, firefighters. Okay. So if I'm clicking these images, you can find it is showing like so many firefighters images, and based on our requirement we need to keep on right click and download each and every image. So it is like very tough because you can find like so many good images of in the online. So for labeling we need so many data, and this job is like very tough. So now to overcome this problem, we do have a special package uh, which will be like very helpful to do this work within seconds. So how to do that? Let's see. Let's open PyCharm and create a new project, and just go to PyCharm preferences, and here just minimize appearance and behavior and click project Python interpreter. So by default it will have like three basic packages, and we should not worry about this. Just click plus, and here we need to type. So what we are going to do here is simple hyphen image hyphen download. So now you can find one package which is available here. Just click that one, and this is the current version which is running at 0.5. I'm having some issues with this package, so I'm just clicking and specify version. zero point 0.4 is working good for me, so I'm clicking that, and you can just press install package. It will take a moment. Meantime you can just see it will just download all from the Google images basically, and we can store it in our system. And author is Jacob Dobis, and if you want to have a personal connection you can just drop a mail to him, and this is his GitHub page. You can use that also. So now you can find this is like installed successfully. We can just close this one, and you can find simple image download here. So it is saying like current version is like zero point 0.4, but we do have a latest version is 0.5. If you prefer you can update. Right now I don't want, let it be. And now you can see like there are some other packages also. All those things will install along with this simple image download, so you should not worry about that. Just ignore it. Just click OK. Yes. So now we'll start preparing our code. So I have created a, let's create new Python file, and we can name it as download from Google. Yes. So this is the Python file we are going to use. So first step is like from simple image download. So if the package is loaded properly, you can see this suggestion. If this suggestion is not happening in your PyCharm IDE, then there is some issue with the package installed. Okay. So now for me suggestion, it is clearly visible. So I'm just pressing enter, and I'm doing import simple image download. So now this name is like very big. Every time we need to type like this. So instead of that, I'm just taking as SIMP. So from next time, we can just type SIMP. That's all. So now I need two variables basically. One is response, and another one is keywords. So in keywords, we need to exactly give the name, example firefighters or some other name. You can just type here. And in response, we need to just give a download source kind of thing. So how to do that? Just type SIMP. Since we have given the name, shortcut name, so we are just using it. SIMP dot simple image download. That's all. And in keywords, just open square bracket, and inside that one, just click use quotes because we are going to enter strings. So I'm just giving name here, firefighters, and now press enter. We need to create one for loop because we need to have many images. So for that, we are going to give a condition here. Let's say for, we can type any variable here. Let's put kw as of now in keywords. Now we can just type, sorry, response dot, you can put downloads, sorry, download, and here we need to give the proper name. So we are using kw here. So same thing I'm going to use here, kw, and comma, we can enter how many number of images you want. So let's put 200. It's like too much, but let's try. So right hand side, you can see right now we do have like virtual environment folder, and apart from that, we do have like two Python files, except that there is nothing. Let's try to run this program and find whether we are getting any error or anything first. Yeah, I believe we didn't get any error. So now closely watch here. Let's try to find out. It will take couple of minutes. So if it is not giving any error here, so it's like good for us basically. Just we need to be little more patient. And if you want, just you can right click here. You can go down and you can find open in Finder. So just click that one, and these are the other project files I'm having. Just open this one. You can find there is a folder created called simple images. Just open that one, and here you can see this is the keyword we have typed, firefighters. Exact name is here. Just open that one, and inside that you can find all the images. Okay, so it's like keep on adding. So right now it is at 40, 41, like that. So once all the 200 images are loaded here, it will automatically appear in your PyCharm IDE itself. So right now still it is under loading, so it is keep on doing. So let's try to find out. So first two images are like nothing. All the time it will come like this. You can start from third image and you can just open it. Yes. So now if you compare here, I'm having the same first image. Okay. So basically, instead of typing all those things, we can just get the image downloaded in a better format using this Python code. Okay. And now if you move forward to again here, you can find maybe the next image is like people sitting in group. That is from here, I believe. Okay. So like this, we can download all the images in a single instance. So right now it reached almost like 87. So let's check in PyCharm. Yeah. So now you can see it is having simple images loaded automatically. So just click here and you can find all the images. It will keep on update. It will take some time to load properly, but it will do. So once this is done, you can just copy all these things and you can put it in your label folder where you can use it for future use kind of thing. So I think that's all for this update. So if you want to spend some more minute, maybe like we can just wait for it. Yes. So almost all the images, I believe it's like coming good. Yes. So if you don't want any image, just you can click it and delete it, not a problem. So this is the very easiest way and shortest way to reach the like collecting images in a very short time. So it will keep on do all those things. Just you need to manually verify all the images. If you found this is okay, you can just have it. If you feel that it is like not good, just click and delete. That's all. So even at the 147 we had some, yes, so these three images also we don't require, just delete. And again you can scroll down like that. So almost it reached 185. Now if I'm clicking 184 also, still this image is like very good, and we can just use this image anywhere in our application. Yeah, so this image I'm not comfortable. It looks like a artificially created, so I don't want this one. Just click 191, come and delete. Yes, and you can find almost everything is like okay. So now if you feel like some images is not good or something, you can just ignore it. Maybe out of 200 you can just filter like 10, 20 or even 50 also, based on your requirement you can just select. Once everything is done, you can see here it reached 100% and it is saying process finished with exit code. So now you can find here 1 2 is not visible because we have deleted, and 145 we have deleted, that also you cannot find here. 145 6 7, so all those three images are gone. So like this we can use all these images for our future use. I think that's all for today, and we can meet in next tutorial. Thank you.